The isophotal diameter is introduced as a conventional way of measuring a galaxy's size based on its apparent surface brightness. Isophotes are curves in a diagram, such as a picture of a galaxy, that adjoins points of equal brightnesses, and are useful in defining the extent of the galaxy. The apparent brightness flux of a galaxy is measured in units of magnitudes per square arcsecond. Mag arcsec 2, sometimes expressed as mag arcsec -2, which defines the brightness depth of the isophote. To illustrate how this unit works, a typical galaxy has a brightness flux of 18 mag arcsec 2 at its central region. This brightness is equivalent to the light of an 18th magnitude hypothetical point object, like a star, being spread out evenly in a 1 square arcsecond area of the sky. For the purposes of objectivity, the spectrum of light being used is sometimes also given in figures. As an example, the Milky Way has an average surface brightness of 22.1 b mag arcsec -2. Where B mag refers to the brightness at the B band, 445 nanometers wavelength of light, in the blue part of the visible spectrum. Quote, R.O. Redman in 1936 suggested that the diameters of galaxies, then referred to as elliptical nebulae, should be defined at the 25.0 mag arcsec 2 isophote at the B band, which is expected to cover much of the galaxy's light profile. This isophote then became known simply as D25, short for diameter 25 inches, and corresponds to at least 10% of the normal brightness of the night sky, which is very near the limitations of blue filters at that time. This method was particularly used during the creation of the Uppsala General Catalogue using blue filters from the Palomar Observatory Sky Survey in 1972. This conventional standard, however, is not universally agreed upon. Erich Homburg in 1958 measured the diameters of at least 300 galaxies at the isophote of about 26.5 mag arcsec 2, originally defined as where the photographic brightness density with respect to plate background is 0.5%. Various other surveys such that of the ESO in 1989 use isophotes as faint as 27.0 mag arcsec 2. Nevertheless, corrections of these diameters were introduced by both the second and third reference catalog of galaxies, RC2 and RC3, at least to those galaxies being covered by the two catalogs. Examples of isophotal diameter measurements: Large Magellanic Cloud 9, 86 kiloparsecs, 32,200 light-years, at the 25.0 b mag arcsec 2 isophote. Milky Way has a diameter at the 25.0 b mag arcsec 2 isophote of 26.8 plus or minus 1 kiloparsecs, 87,400 plus or minus 3,590 light-years. Messier 87 has a diameter at the 25.0 b mag arcsec 2 isophote of 40.55 kiloparsecs, 132,000 light-years. Andromeda Galaxy has a diameter at the 25.0 b mag arcsec 2 isophote of 46.56 kiloparsecs, 152,000 light-years.